Conference will now be recorded.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Tigurla. Today we are going to discuss the continuation part of C++ programming. In the first class, we discussed about what is the introduction of C++ and what are the softwares we need to use. Okay, now we are going to discuss the second concept is called operators. Okay, now you can see the introduction. First operator. See, what is the definition of an operator is which is used to operate. Which is used to operate is called operator. Which is used to operate is called operator. See, here A plus B. A plus B is there. Here plus is called operator and A comma B are called operands. Okay, see here, this is called operator and this is called operands. Okay, now next types of operator. See, this types of operator concept is similar to C programming, even if it is similar in Java programming also. Okay, that's why if you know one programming language, other programming languages are very easy to learn. Okay, now we can see here in the operator same in C how exactly the same operator, here also the same operator, that's why I'm not writing anything. See, type of operators. First one is arithmetic operator, second one is relational operator, third one is logical operator, and fourth one is increment or decrement operator, and next one is assignment operator, bitwise operator, and conditional operator. Okay, these are all operators are there. Now we'll see once again what is a operator which is used to operate is called operator. A plus B plus is the operator and A comma B are called operands. Now types of operator: arithmetic, relational. Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiplication, divide, mod. These are all called arithmetic operators. And relational operator: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to. These are all called relational operator. And logical operator: double and double are not equal to. Next, increment decrement means either plus plus or minus minus. Next, assignment operator, the same like is equal to or plus is equal to or minus equal to. Next, bitwise operators. Next, conditional operator. Okay, now we are going to discuss one program using operators. Okay, first, what is the software we need to use for C++? That developer C or Turbo C also you can use it. See, file new source file. See, first line hash include IO stream. Okay, next we should use using namespace std. In the first video I have explained everything what is the namespace, why we need to use. Okay, you can follow that, it is available in C++ playlist. Int main. Okay, now I am declaring a variable int x equal to 20, y equal to 10, z comma s comma w comma e I am taking that. Now I am writing a formula z is equal to x plus y, s equal to x minus y, and next w equal to x into y, and next e equal to x divided by y. Okay, now I am printing these values. See, C out less than sum is, see in C Comma is a separator. In C++, less than is a separator. Okay, Z. Next, I am copying this. Okay, this is sub is S, and the next multiplication is W, and the next div is E. Okay, after this, here we can write a return 0. If you are not writing also, no problem. Okay, return 0. Now I need to save this file in the desktop with any name, some save. Okay, now execute the code. It will show if any errors are there. See here it is showing C out. Here semicolon is missing. Okay, now execute, run. Okay, there is no error. It is coming. Sum 30, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, this is the example for the arithmetic operator. Okay, in the next same thing, I want, see now I'm copying this in the file because of the same programs, same file I'll share to you. Next step. See now second we are discussing increment operator. See before increment operator, this is also there. Before that, we need to explain relational and logical. It will come in the continuation video or next video. Because of it is similar to, we need to use the loops. If else while there, I'll explain clearly. Directly, I'm jumping into the increment operator. Just now I'm deleting the code. Next, I'm taking this. Now I want to print C out of X. I don't want all these things. C is equal to, okay, now C out of C X plus plus. Now I am printing C out X. Okay, now see this is called post increment. What it is called? This is a post increment. Okay, now I'm saving this file save as in the desktop, some other name. Now I'm running the code, execute, run. You can see the result. See here same semicolons are missing. Save, execute, run. Okay. See first it is taking C out of X. X means it is taking 20, and post increment means value is going to add but not this particular time. Okay, when you are calling a next time, the value is going to add. That means this is a, you are getting a 10, 20, and here you are getting post increment is a 20 only you are getting. When you are calling a next time, 21 you will get. Okay, now I'm copying the same thing in the notes. Okay, now you can see once again. See increment or decrement. See increment is nothing but there are two types of increments are available. One is called pre-increment and second one is called post increment. See pre-increment is nothing but plus x, and post increment is nothing but x plus. Okay, see in both cases plus x or x plus, that means x is equal to x plus 1, but pre means it will print before x, and post means it will print after. That's why we are calling a prepaid connection. We need to pay before. Postpaid bill will come, you need to pay later. Okay. Now the same program I am converting to pre increment here. Now the same thing I am taking. Now I am save as with a different name. Okay. Next you can see execute, run. What is the value you are getting? 20, 20. Oh, I need to change instead of plus. Yeah, plus plus. Okay, now file, save as on the desktop, save, execute, run. See, in this you are getting here first one is 20. Posting pre-increment you are getting a 21, and when you are calling the next one also you are getting 21 only. Okay, now execute, run the code. Okay, say 20, 21, 21. This is about increment operator. Okay, next we are going to discuss pre-completed and post-increment also done. Okay, next we are going to discuss a conditional operator. Okay, next we'll see. I'll add this in the material. See, I'll add this in the description. You can download the file and you can use it. Next. See, next concept is conditional operator. Conditional operator. Okay, see, this is the syntax, question mark, and question mark will come and colon symbol will come. Now you can see directly will execute the code. See, everything is same, just I am changing here this particular place. Okay, now I am deleting. See, first I need to write int a equal to 30, comma b equal to 40, comma c. Now formula c is equal to bracket open a greater than b, question mark. Okay, next a colon b. Now c out less than the result is separator less than c. See, this is a called condition. This is a condition. If a condition is true, it is going to execute a part. If it is condition is false, it is going to execute b part. Okay. Now I am saving this, and now I am adding semicolon here, and I am adding the return statement. Okay, return 0 and semicolon. Now I am saving this, save as some name. Okay, now run the code, execute, run. If any errors are there, it will show. See, now result is 1. For example, I am changing here 300, save as the desktop with some other name, execute, run. Okay, it is coming 300. Okay, say this is, now I am copying this code, I'll keep it in the notes. Now you can see this conditional operator. Okay, next, after conditional operator, see here the one more operator is missing, that is a bitwise operator. Like bitwise operator, little bit confusion will come. I'll make it one separate video for that using C++, Java bitwise operator. Okay, see, now arithmetic operator and relational operator, logical operator, it will cover in the control statements, and increment decrement operator and assignment operator is nothing but is equal to. Next, one more program we need to do now, how to read the values from the keyboard. How to read the values from the keyboard. See, in C programming we are using how to read the values using printf and scanf. Here, how to read the values from keyboard. Okay, now we are going to discuss that concept. Okay, now we'll directly move into the developer C. See, now everything is same, just I am deleting this particular code. Okay, directly I am writing, see, variable declaration int x comma y comma z. Okay, now see out. Here I am writing enter two values. Okay, semicolon. See, in we are using, okay, x y. Okay, now I want to write a formula of x plus y. Now I want to print that C out less than sum is. See here, no percentage d and all like C. It is a very easy syntax. We can follow very easily. Now I am saving the same program on the desktop with sum. Save. Now execute, run. Okay, now it is asking enter two values. Okay, submit is coming up. See, in the same code, if you are doing small modification, in the same code, if you are doing a small modification, I want three values means just I am taking W and here enter three values. Now here I am adding that Z and here I need to change W. Now I need to add Z. Now sum is W. Now file, save as in the desktop with sum3. Okay, now execute, run on the code. Okay, now you are going to get say 10, 20, 30. Now addition is 60. Okay, this is the operators. Now I'll add this also in the notes. Okay, now say once again, what is the operator which is used to operate is called operator. A plus b plus is the operator and a comma b are called operands. And types of operator, arithmetic operator, the same program, addition subtraction we did, relational operator, less than greater than, less than or equal to greater than or equal to, and logical double and or double and double are not, and increment decrement operator and assignment. C single equal to x is equal to 10, x plus is equal to 10, that is nothing but x is equal to x plus 10. Okay, this is x is equal to x minus 10, and bitwise operators this and conditional operators. See, this is the first program for arithmetic operator. Next, pre-increment and post-increment. See, plus plus x is pre-increment, x plus plus is called post-increment. Both are x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, here whatever the value will add before, it will add after. Okay, not adding, it's printing after. Next one is conditional operator. See, conditional operator, they are using this one, condition with a question mark. This is the true part and this is the false part. Okay, now we are getting a result and how to read a value from the keyboard. This is the two values reading and next one is three values reading from the keyboard. Apart from this, some other operators also is available. These are the operators. See, this is scope resolution operator. We will discuss it in the first class. Why we are using scope resolution operator? instead of using namespace, we are using that. Okay, if you have any clarification, just go and see the first file which is available in our playlist. Now new is the keyword. See, this is for creating an object. See, C++ is a 50% procedure oriented and 50% object oriented. In that object oriented, how to create an object using a keyword called new keyword. And this is a one more keyword, is one more operator is there. This is a how to get a free memory. There is a delete operator, and these are the another operators are there. We'll discuss one by one. And type of id is nothing but data type, how to find that. And dynamic casting, okay, that is casting is nothing but converting one data type into another data type. It is a one concept will come slowly. I'll teach one by one. And this is the static cost and constant cost. Okay, these are the other operators are there. Like when you are following our channel, I'll release one by one videos depending on other operators. Okay, now as of now I think you have cleared about the particular C++ operators. Okay, in the next file we are going to discuss control statements. In that control statements we are discussing the these two type of operators also. That operators are relational operator and logical operator. We'll discuss in that file. Okay, just stay tuned to our YouTube channel and subscribe. And if any questions are there, you can comment below. If any material you require or anything else, just you can comment it. Thank you.